Just got the pool stick from Q King. Very excited about this. Figured we could open it up together. Dude, right off the bat, this case is legit. I'm actually really happy about this so far. It's a good first impression. As far as what's in here, I just had a little bit of a card in here, but this is going to be able to put a few pieces of chalk in there and other items. But I'm very excited to get this open. Let's see this thing. Ooh, look at that. Great details. And this feels really good. Look at that. Let's check out the other half here real quick. Oops. Oh my gosh, look at this quality. I love the bevel here. Makes it really easy to play and really nice in the hand. So you always know where your thumb's going to go on this. But check out this little detail. I'm going to get this put together real quick. Overall, style-wise, I got exactly what I wanted. This blue with the gold on it with the small little details is perfect. I love how the flag pops. Now, as far as balance goes, it is weighted very well. You can see the majority of the balance is between this, I would say it's a little bit more than 2/3. It's almost 3/4 of the way back. But it's very light, but also very nice in the hand. But again, not to put too much emphasis on this bevel, I absolutely love it because I know exactly where my thumb's gonna go and how I'm going to pull through with my elbow. So don't hesitate to pull this trigger on this pool stick. Fantastic little rubber bumper on the end. On the front, the actual bumper on the front is really, really nice. I'm not too sure what kind of leather this is, but it fits perfect. Very, very good details on this pool stick. I'm trying to give you guys the best view you possibly can, but these guys, in my opinion, make quality products, and this can definitely up my game.